How to prepare Ghana chips. These are the ingredients for making chin chin Ghana chips, the salted one. You use plain flour, sunflower oil for frying, butter or margarine, your salt, table salt, and nutmeg, and of course your onion and garlic for seasoning. So what you do is you pour your plain flour into your mixing bowl. You know, it's just like the method is just like that of the meat pie, but with this one you reduce the fats. So with this one I'm going to add, this is my plain flour. If you use about this much of flour, like 1.5 kg flour, you can use half of the 1 kg flour. So with you mix in your margarine. This flour is about 6 tablespoonfuls of plain flour, so I'm using 3 tablespoonfuls of margarine, half of the quantity of the flour of margarine. And then you add your salt, 1 teaspoonful of salt. You can still taste it when you rub it in. And then of course your nutmeg. So you're going to rub this one in with your 2 clean hands. This is how it looks after rubbing in your margarine. It's not very rich, just sandy texture. So at this step I'm going to blend my garlic and onion to spice it up. I'm going to blend it in a blender. This is my blend garlic and onion. So I'm not going to add all. I'm just going to add a few spoonfuls to my pastry. Bind it together. Don't do it too soft. Just make a hard dough, hard enough for you to roll with your rolling pin. Here we are. This is our pastry. So at this point I'm going to transfer it into my clean working surface. This is my chips dough now. See, as this hard. Then you sprinkle your seasoned oil, seasoned flour. Just season with a bit of salt. Remember to taste your dough when you are rubbing in the margarine. You taste for salt. If you need more salt in it, you just dissolve salt in cold water and sprinkle over the pastry to make the dough. So use your rolling pin to roll it. It's a bit of hard work. You roll it. Meanwhile, I'm heating my vegetable oil. So roll it flat like this. And then I use my kitchen knife to slice it. So with your hand, you slice it thinly. Some people have the machine for shredding it, but I don't have the machine, so I'm using my manpower. Use your knife to shred it the size you want, very thinly, so that it can be crispy. Now my vegetable oil too is ready on the fire. So I'm just going to put this in my hot vegetable oil and deep fry it. Make sure the oil is hot. You can try if the oil is hot by putting a few in. And then you use your spatula to stir it a bit. Keep on stirring after every other minute till it's ready. And the first batch is ready. This is the end product. First batch is ready like this. So So you're going to transfer this onto your tray, cool it down, and keep it in an airtight container, or you wrap it in a food bag. Here we are. This is the chin chin, a Ghana chips. It can also be served with roasted peanuts at the side. You can serve it at the parties or have it as a snack.